This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and creating the device. First, install the latest Windows SDK and GPU drivers. Enable developer mode so debugging works. Once done, create a DXGI factory and enumerate adapters to pick the one that supports Directx 12 feature levels. Then call D3D12 create device to get an ID3D12 device. This gives you the core ability to create resources and command objects. Make sure to query feature support so your later resource formats and tiered features are valid. Next, you build the command plumbing and memory layout so work can flow. Create a command queue, a command allocator, and a command list for direct GPU submission. You'll record draw and copy commands there. Then create default heaps for GPU-only resources and upload heaps for staging data, creating ID3D12 resource buffers and textures as needed. Use fences with event handles to synchronize CPU and GPU. This ensures you don't overwrite resources in flight and lets you recycle allocators safely for the next frame. Finally, you record rendering commands, present frames, and handle the finish line concerns. Record render passes, perform resource state transitions, and close and execute command lists. Then present using the swap chain. When the window resizes, recreate render targets and update descriptor views before submitting new frames. If things go wrong, enable the D3D12 debug layer and review its messages. Often GPU hangs come from incorrect resource states, descriptor mismatches, or missing fence weights, so validate those first to quickly fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.